Today we're going to go on to syllable division. We are going to learn how to divide big words into parts so you can read big words now. Isn't that exciting? The very first rule we're going to learn is that when we have two consonants in the middle of a word, we divide between them. Let's look at this first word I have on the chart. Do you see how we have two P's in the middle? Both of those letters are consonants. So we're going to cover up the second part of the word because we're only going to read one part at a time. We're going to read syllable by syllable. Okay, what's that part? Pep. And we know what ER says because we've had that phonogram, So let's go ahead and say it. P-ep-er. What's it make? Pepper. What's it make? Put it together faster. Pepper. Pepper. Very good. Let's go to this one. You guys are so smart. Do you see some double consonants in the middle of the next one? What are the double consonants you see? Do you see two B's? Yes, you found them. Good work, detective. Now, just read the first part of the word. What is it? Rub. Now read the second part. What do you get? Do you know what the big word is? Rubber. Let's clap it. Rubber. It's two parts. Let's clap pepper. Pepper. It's two parts. So now you're reading bigger words. Let's look at the next one. This next one is really good. You see the two N's in the middle? You know we're going to divide here. But we have Y. And I told you Y has another sound. When Y is at the end of a longer word, a two or three syllable word, the Y is going to say E. So it's not going to say I like it does in a short word. It's not going to say yeah like it does when it's first in the word. It's going to say E. Let's sound it out now. Okay, what's that part say? Did you get fun? Now the rest of it. Fun. And then Y says E. Funny. Put it together, what do we have? Funny. Funny. So Y says E in a lot of words, like happy and silly. Lots and lots of words have Y at the end of them, making the E sound. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, look at this. Are the consonants in the middle the same letters? They're not, are they? That's okay. They're not vowels. These are consonants. They're not A, E, I, O, or U. These are consonants, but we're still going to divide between them. So now read this part first. What do you get? By the way, this is a T. It's just a different way of writing a T. Did you get temper? Tem. And then there's our and her. We see that a lot in longer words. Temper makes temper. Temper. Shouldn't have a bad temper, should you? Let's skip that one. Let's skip that one. Let's go down. Let's go down to number 11. Let's go to number 11. See if you can sound that word out. Did you see the double consonants? What are they? N. What does Y say at the end of a longer word? E. Now let's see if you can figure it out. What is it? Sunny. Sunny. Very good. Some of these we haven't had. I'm skipping over some things. Okay, let's go to number 14. Is the consonant in the middle the same or different? It's the same, isn't it? We're going to divide between them. What's that part? What's that part? Put it together. What do we have? Mitten makes mitten. Gotta say it faster. Mitten. Very good. You see what else we have over here that we can use. No, not those. Okay, grab another one. All right, let's go to number one. Number one. Double consonants, we divide here. Longer word. What's the Y say? E. Okay, let's sound it out. What did you get? Say it faster. Did you get happy? Happy? Then you're doing amazingly well. Okay, let's look at the next one. Down to number 3. Down to number 3. Okay, that one was funny. I think we already had that one. We'll go down to number 3. Do you see two F's? Read the first part. First syllable first. What'd you get? Muff. Did you get muff? Now read the second part. Now put it together. What do you get? Did you get muffin? Do you like muffins? Yes, muffin is a yummy thing to eat, isn't it? Yes. I'm trying to see if I did that one already. Okay, let's go down to, okay, this is number 5. Number 5. We have 2 N's. It looks like a long, hard word, like a second grade word, but you can do it because you're smart. Let's read the first part. What is it? Man. ER. We know ER says what? It's our phonogram. So now we're going to, and then we're going to put an S on it. Ers. Now let's put it together. And what do we get? What's the whole word? Manners. Manners. I know you have good manners, right? Okay, let's go to number 6. Let's see if you can get it all by yourself this time. See where to divide it into parts? Read the first part, then read the second part, and what do you get? Put it together, say it faster. Butter. Did you get butter? Excellent if you did. Okay, number 8. Can you see where we divide it? You see the 2 consonants in the middle? What's the first part? What's the second part? What is the whole thing? Say it faster. Rabbit. Rabbit. Very good. Okay, the next one. You don't like this at all, I know. You don't like this word. You see, we don't have the same letter, but they're both consonants, so we're going to divide right there. And I bet you already know that word. What's that word? Can. Y at the end of a longer word. What's Y say? E. Put it together. Candy. Candy. Very good. All right, let's go to number 11. Number 11. Go ahead, you do it yourself. Remember this one. What does it make? Bunny. Bunny. And our last one down here. See where we divide? See where the consonants are in the middle of the word? Read the first part. Read the second part. We know what ER says. What's it say? Silver. So it's really important that you know the vowel rules and that you know the phonograms that we've already covered, because you're going to be reading them in lots and lots of words. You're going to be using all these tricks and tools to help you sound out words. Okay, well, practice those words. Words with 2 syllables that have double consonants in the middle of them. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.